In this tutorial, we are going to look at the path effect bend. So we just write a text, any text at all. Go for your text and edit tool. It's not important. I'm using serif, but the important thing is the path effects in this tutorial. And then we write something like happy. And then maybe I make my font a bit bigger for you to see. So something like this. And then let's imagine we want to bend it a bit. So we want to, let's write happy birthday to make it even birthday. And then we want to bend it a bit and maybe put it in this thing here. So the first thing I would do is I need to convert this to a path. So go to path, object to path. Now go to path effects. Then you get this dialog box popping up, and then go to plus and then go to bend. You press it. And then when you come here, nothing still happens. But the thing you need to do is to go to edit on canvas. If you press that, you see a green line appearing here. And you can touch that green line and adjust what you have. You can touch it at whichever place you want, depending on how you want it bent. And then that's basically what the bend does. Then you can bring it here if you want. You can also color it, adjust it as you wish. You can give it a color by giving it any color you prefer. And then you can also, during you can bring it here, something like this. So that's how you can use the bend path effects in Inkscape. I'm using Inkscape 1.0. If you liked it, please help me by subscribing to my channel. And thank you, and come again. Thank you. Bye.